Hello everyone. So today I'm going to bind this mine count into the actual function. So that means if I place a mine uh, like this, you can see the mine count is reduced from 2 to 1. If I place again, 1 will become 0. I mean here. So if I try to place my one mine again, we get the notification no mines because we don't have any more mines. So yeah, that's what I'm going to work on today. Alright, so at the moment I have this mine count over here, but I haven't connected it with the actual functions, so I can infinitely place mines as I need. So as you can see, the count is not decreasing. So that's the part I want to work on today. So first let me open this ALS player blueprint. Let's open the where did I implement the variables for the grenade, because mine count also should be same as grenade counts, I think, in the base character. Here, max grenade count. Okay, here under, yeah, I think guns category should be fine, because, well, maybe ideally it would be better if I name the category as weapons or something, but I'll put here. Let's add the variable max mine count, and I'll put it under guns. That should be an integer. I think instead of making this an integer, it would be better if I use this throwable data type, because here we have a count and a max count and a class and an icon. Yeah, that would be better. So here, mine data, I'll name it as mine data and change this to the type throwable data structure. But now we have a problem, because mine is not throwable, so we should rename this to a proper name, a more suitable name. As the structs. Yeah, oh, it's in the guns. Okay. Struct throwable data. Let's rename it item data. Right. Now save. Yeah, item data. Let me make sure that things are still working after updating. Yeah, it is. Nice. So mine data here, count, max count. This is called throwable class, but I think we should change that too. item class. Alright, let's see if we have lost any data, or why does it still say spawn grenade? Okay, here we have a problem. How was it before? Yeah, so we could use item class. Okay, all good. Now back here, mine data. This should be BP mine. Icon, we have the mine icon, but since we are not changing the mine type for now, it doesn't matter, because for now I don't have different mine types, so I only have one type of mine, so we don't need to change the icon. Anyway, in the UI now we need another function to update the mine count. So widget grenades, here we have the mine count. Yeah, so update throwable widget count and icon. Okay, let me add a custom event, update mine count. Well, in case I have different mine types, to make this feature proof, I'll add both count and icon, so we can get the mine count and set text. Here we can get the count as an integer, right? Oh, why is it? Why did I have to make it a string first? Maybe because I had to append x before. Okay, now that I don't have that, we can directly use this grenade icon, grenade count, mine icon. Set brush from texture. Okay, right, now how do we call this function? For that, where do we call this? We may have to set up an interface event in our HUD. Exactly, like here. So this is our HUD shooter. Here we have update grenade widget. So I'll add a similar function, similar interface function in this VPI UI. Update mine widget. So just like this update grenade widget, we need count and texture 2D. Count integer and icon texture 2D. Alright, now let's implement that here. This is update grenade. I'll implement it here. What's this? We can actually reuse this. Update mine widget. So we can use the grenade widget macro to make sure that we have a valid grenade widget created, and then get the grenade widget. Actually, I think it would look much better if I had an output from this. So it looks like this macro has a purpose, always return a valid grenade widget. So here update mine count. Oh, we need the count, and count is integer, not boolean. Connect the count here and connect the icon here. Then if this is not in the viewport, we need to add it to viewport. If not, to viewport. Alright, and this part is mines. Alright, now we have the interface set up. Now we can call this event update mine widget from our base character. Where it should come under UI. Yeah, function update mine count. So just like the grenade count, we can get HUD. If it is valid, we can get the, let's do that. Get HUD. Let's use this interface event. This is something I have already created. It's valid. If we have a valid HUD, we can use it. And update mine count. So how do we get the mine count? It's from our mine variable, this mine data. Let me split this so I can access the mine count and the icon. Alright, so now where do we update this? Where do we call this function? Not update, call this function. So that has to be done in the ALS player. So first, initially also in the begin player, I'll call update mine count. So it will be updated with the initial values. So you can see as the initial values we have 2 mines. So see, it's shown as 2. If I make it 3, 4, 4, no, let me make it 3 just to test. Now you see 3. Alright, and but still mine count is not updated when I place a mine. So where did I implement place in mine? Place. Here. This is also in the base ALS character. So first, before trying to place a mine, we need to check if we have mines. So get mine data split, get the mine data count, and check if it is larger than 0. If yes, that means we have mines that we can place. So then where do we spawn mine? Here also we can get mine data split, and we can connect the class itself. Then we need to update this. Set members, and we need to set the count. So basically we need to decrement the count. So we can get the count here. Subtract 1 and set. Alright, what's here? Let's see. Oh, here. This is this shows as throwable. Okay. Let me check. Oh, sorry. Let me keep it. Spawn actor from class. Now this is also still throwable. Why my data is listed as throwable? BP mine. Is mine a throwable? Ah, yeah, it is. So then what's the issue? Oh, we need to do a casting because this has to be a mine object, but here it's throwable. Okay, since this is not something that happens in the tick or somewhere, we can do a cast to mine. I usually try to avoid castings, but I'll make an exception here because we know this is definitely going to be a casting. It's going to be a mine. Right, and that's not enough. We need to update mine count to. Right, now let's see. If I place a mine, you can see 3 became 2 here. If I place another mine, 2 became 1. Another 0, and if I press F again, I can't place mines anymore. So in that case, I think we should have something like this. Do I have no grenades option? Yeah, no grenades. Okay, we get in the middle warning, no grenades. So where is that? Okay, that's done here. Get hard, show warning, no grenade. So we can do the same when we place mines here. So if we don't have mines, this is the path that will take place. So we can simply show no mines. And to make it test easier, I'll set the mine count to 2. One mine is placed, another mine is placed. When I try to place another one, no mines. Okay, no mines appears, but also the progress bar appears. Progress bar also appears, so that is something I need to avoid. How? Progress bar is here in the tips. uh, when we place mine here, we update the progress. So after that, after this is finished, we should hide the progress bar, and I don't think we are doing that anymore. Yeah, maybe here. Toggle progress bar, hide. Now we shouldn't get it again. Place 1, place 2. Yeah, I get no mines in the middle, and we don't see the progress bar. And yeah, I'm gonna stop this episode right here. So thanks for watching. As always, project files will be available here, the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon Club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.